What's up, everyone? It's me, Adam Prime, and I'm back again with some more Kamen Geats stuff. We got the DX Monster Raise Buckle, and it comes with the Punk Jack ID core. Almost like all the big buckles outside of Ninja have come with ID cores. I know, like, the next one isn't, but still. It sucks that the Tycoon one is going to be a promo item. Ugh. But moving on, we have the buckle itself, which is this nice bear. Like, this is not what I was expecting when I heard it was monster. You got both the forms. You got it with Geats. You got it with Punk Jack. On the side, it says Monster Raise Buckle. On the bottom, it just says that. On the side, it gives you contents and continues the picture. On the back, it shows you can use the ID core, so you can become Punk Jack. You can use it regularly, and you can see it has little Z's, so like that's its standby noise. You open its eyes, and it's ready to fight. Shows you using it with the boost buckle, because what other buckle would you use it with? And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all the box really has to offer. So let's get the ID core and the belt in here, and we'll check out what they do. And here's the buckle and the ID core. And much like the last video, I'm going to take a look at the ID core first. And yeah, it's a nice clear orange. And as you can see, there's nothing inside. You got the nice bear head. So hopefully we will get some form of the other repaints, such as Danpan and Shiroi. But here is Punk Jack. And it's nicely painted and everything. I think it looks really good. So that's pretty much it. Let's put it in the driver for the entry. And it allows this to glow really brightly, and I think it really does work with how clear it is. It's one of the reasons I even like Buffas a lot, is because of how clear it is. And here's the monster buckle, and he is a cute little bear friend with his little backwards hat, which is his button, and if you press it down, that's how he opens and closes his eyes. You got the clear rim, you got his silver knuckles. So on the bottom you have that clear orange plastic, and you have a rail that's and a QR code. It is number 65, and no electronics in this one, but what do you expect? It is a nice bright yellow. And honestly, I like that somebody said that this buckle is just the personification of waking up and choosing violence. Like, I love how, like, it's a little angry face. It's so cute. So, overall, it's a fun little buckle. It's definitely goofy. Like, I can't deny that. This is not a cool, like, this isn't cool. Like, you know what I mean? It's not like the Beat buckle or the Ninja buckle where you're just like, oh yeah, I get these cool armors. This one, you get a star-studded outfit with punching fists. That's your power. But let's put it in to the driver. I don't know why. And if you press it down once, you can hear it snoring, and it's interesting that it makes you have to hit the button twice to do a strike. Which I do like. I do like that they programmed it that way, because that's really kind of cool. It makes it kind of interesting. So, let's bring in a small buckle for it to get used with. And plug it in. And let's try it out with last video's beat buckle. And there it is with the beat buckle. Let's try it out with zombie. Next up, let's use it with boost. And you got a little ring-a-ding-ding, which is really cool. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I love the little band-aid they gave it. This bear has been through some things. I do like that. Now let's get into it. And that is Monster with Boost. So, it is time to get out the Magnum Shooter so we can see what sounds the Monster Buckle gives in that. So, yeah, we're pretty much done here. So, let's move on to that. And here's the Magnum Shooter. Make sure it's on. And that is pretty much it for the Monster Buckle. And overall, I can say I really do like what this comes with. I like the ID core. I like the buckle itself. This is not a buckle I would say is for everyone, and I wouldn't even say this is an ID core necessarily everyone's gonna want. But meanwhile, this is one of only 4 ID cores that are being released right now, so I imagine people are going to want this. And I don't think this buckle is pretty bad. I think the functionality it has is a ton of fun. Like, I would say maybe stuff like the Beat Buckle are a little bit more, like, amazing, but this was released a little bit before it, so I think they really kind of knew that. But I would overall say it's a really cute design. I love its little red eyes. It's just really cute. I love the sounds. I think it's a fun time, and I like that we have the Punk Jack ID core. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think of the what do you guys think of Punk Jack so far in the show? And what do you think of the buckle? Do you guys hope that he gets another armor? Are you guys okay with him just using monster? Overall, I do like the suit. I think it looks pretty good. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and till whatever I do next, bye.